Have you ever doubted yourself, even when deep down you knew the answer? Maybe you have felt torn between listening to your own inner voice and pleasing others. Or maybe a past mistake made you question if you can really trust yourself again. You are not alone. Many women struggle with self-trust. We learn to give, to adapt, to compare ourselves, and somewhere along the way, we stop listening to our own wisdom. And here's the truth. Trust isn't about being perfect. It's about coming back to yourself again and again. Hi, this is Clara, hypnotherapist, curious reader, and explorer of a better feminine lifestyle. I love sharing knowledge so we can learn and grow together. You might be asking, why it's so hard to fully trust yourself? Or maybe, how to start again? Think of trust like a muscle. Each time you keep a promise to yourself, each time to listen to your intuition, each time you say yes when you mean yes and no when you mean no, that muscle grows stronger. When we rebuild trust within, we stop searching for constant validation outside. We feel grounded, calm, magnetic, and free. You are never alone. We are being guided by our intuition, by higher power. I believe in God, and maybe you choose to believe in the universe or other higher power. It's absolutely fine. It's our free choice. I am sharing my thoughts and experience with you, and you can apply the wisdom into your life however it works for you. In general, I feel like we are blinded by the flashing lights of the world. We focus on so many things that we forget to listen to our own body and intuition. Following all the trends and hacks, we get distracted and can't hear them anymore. But the body and mind are whispering all the time. How often have you said to yourself something like, I knew it's gonna happen, or I felt it's not the right thing to do? See? That was your intuition and body talking. Somehow, somewhere, we lost trust in ourselves and started to believe the outside world. We allowed society and marketing to shape our reality, lives, relationships. Step by step, you can get back to it. Practice using your intuition. You have feelings for a reason. Please take a moment and listen to your body. Sometimes it's screaming, and sometimes it just whispers. In any case, those messages should be heard and ideally even actioned upon. By fulfilling goals you set for yourself, you will also increase self-trust. It can be the smallest thing, for example, when you promise yourself to get up early or eat healthy. Don't break those promises, no matter how insignificant they might feel. In this case, you might be better to aim for easier and realistic goals first, to build self-trust again before choosing the real challenge. When it comes to trusting others, you might think it's more complex. The thing is, once you trust yourself, you know that you can manage in any kind of situation. So even when someone breaks your trust, you know you will be fine. Sadly, we never know when and if this will happen. You can choose to be on guard all life, or relax and deal with the betrayal if it comes. It's good to remember that even bad experiences are beneficial to our life. I like to think about it as if we were in a labyrinth where we can't see through the hedges. Maybe what we thought was a disaster on one corner and forced us to choose another way will be a blessing later on. Maybe our path has been changed at the right time to protect us from a bigger disaster. So I choose to trust myself that I can deal with anything on the way, and I trust God, who can protect me because He can see the full labyrinth of my life from above. Trust is a big topic we could surely talk about for a while. If there is anything about trust you are curious about, please write it in the comment section below this video or DM me on Instagram, where I'm, by the way, sharing inspiration on a regular basis. I would like you to bring something new and positive into your life from this talk straight away. For that reason, I will guide you through a short meditation to reconnect with that inner trust, the part of you that already knows. Before we begin, please make sure that you are at a safe place and nothing around you requires your attention. If you don't have this now, please save this meditation for later. Close your eyes if it's safe to do so. Take a deep, gentle breath in and slowly exhale. Allow your body to soften, shoulders relax, jaw unclenches, heart opens. Imagine now that you are standing in a safe, beautiful place. It could be a forest filled with a soft light, a peaceful garden, or a quiet beach. This place is yours, a sanctuary where you feel calm, supported, and at ease. In front of you, imagine a version of yourself, strong, wise, calm. She is the person you strive to be. She looks at you with love and certainty. She knows what you are capable of. She trusts you. Take a moment to notice how she stands, how she breathes, how safe you feel in her presence. You can tell that she fully trusts herself. Now allow her words to echo inside your heart. I am learning to trust myself. I listen to my inner voice with kindness. I trust the timing of my life. Breathe those words in. Feel them filling your body, from your chest to your fingertips. I am learning to trust myself. I listen to my inner voice with kindness. I trust the timing of my life. And now, whisper silently to yourself, I choose to trust me. If you can, place your hands on opposite shoulders or upper arms so you can give yourself a hug and repeat, I choose to trust myself, and feel the trust and a strong, positive, warm light spreading around your body. When you are ready, take another deep breath in, breathe out slowly, and gently open your eyes, carrying this feeling of self-trust into the rest of your day, into your life. Thank you for sharing this time with me. If this meditation helped you reconnect with your inner trust, let me know in the comments what resonated most. And if you would like more mindful talks on different topics, subconscious tools, or meditations to support your personal development journey, let me know what you are interested in so I can create it for you. Your support is the best motivation. Please subscribe to join me here every week. Remember, trust isn't something you find outside. It's already within you, and you can choose it again and again. If you ever need any inspiration or help, I am just a click away. Have a lovely day.